my journal to a page. Everything that hurts me still the same. Feels like there's nothing new for me to say. Why? Sweating through the sheets, shaking in bed. Visions of her naked in my head. But I went off and chose myself instead. Why ease my mind? I don't know why. Shook me to the core, I'm still a kid.